Hello all, welcome to EdrawMax. In this video, we will look at how to create 100-watt inverter circuit. Here different categories are available for different drawing. By using these categories, you can create a drawing. For this circuit, we have to go to the electrical drawing below. After that, click here to create a new drawing. So the next page will open, where we can make the circuit. Here, you find a library of symbols on the left side, where you will find all kinds of symbols. You can also search the symbol, by searching in the search bar above. As search the battery, you can see that the symbols of the battery are coming below. Now, drag and drop all the symbols according to the circuit in the drawing area. All symbols is here according to the circuits. Now, move all symbols according to the drawing position. Now all the symbols will be set according to the circuit. To connect the wire, click on the connector icon from above, and select the connector. You can find different types of connector here. You can select these connectors according to your use. Now, connect all symbols according to the circuit. Now, the circuit is ready. If you want to write something in the drawing area, you can see the text option on the top. Now, mentioned all components value by text selection. the circuit has been completed, and you can also put a switch in the circuit, so that your inverter will turn on or off. To save the circuit, we will click on the file on the left side. Then we have to click on Export. Here you can save the circuit in any format, so here I would like to save this circuit in PDF format. You can also print out the drawing after exporting it, so here, you can see that the circuit has been saved in PDF. Now, understand the circuit's working. First, we will switch on the inverter, and supply the inverter from the battery. The indicator light will glow. After that, the IC CD4047 generates 50 Hz frequency. This frequency is amplified by both MOSFETs. After that, the step-up transformer will step up the power, and output will get 220 voltage. So this was the circuit of the inverter circuit. It is very easy, its power consumption is very low, and battery backup will be good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe EdrawMax for more tutorial videos.